Topic is linear equation in one variable. So first question is x by 2 minus 1 by 5 equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So we put x by 3 on the left hand side and minus 1 by 5 to the right hand side. So x by 2, here x by 3 is in positive sign, so in LHS its sign will be changed to negative, so minus x by 3 equal to, here minus 1 by 5 is in negative sign, so in RHS it will change to plus 1 by 5, so 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 equal to, LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, so 2 we divide 6 by 2 and the remainder and the uh, percentage 3, so 3 into x 3x minus 2x equal to, LCM of 5 and 4 is 20, so 5 plus 4 equal to 3x minus 2x, that is x divided by 6 equal to 5 plus 4 9 by 20. Here cross multiplication is it between x by 6 and 9 by 20, so x into 20 equal to 9 into 6 equal to 20x equal to 9 into 6, and x equal to 9 into 6 divided by 20. We got by 2, so 2, 6 divided by 2 equal to 3 and 20 divided by 2 equal to 10, so x equal to 27 divided by 10. And second question is 2x by 3 plus 1 equal to 7x divided by 15 plus 3. So 2x plus 3 minus, here 7x by 15 is in positive sign, so in LHS its sign will be changed, so positive here is become negative, 7x by 15 equal to 3 plus 1 becomes minus 1, so 2x by 3 minus 7x by 15, the LCM of 3 and 15 is 15, so 15 divided by 3 equal to 5, 5 into 2x equal to 10x minus 15 divided by 15 equal to 1 into 7x equal to minus 7x equal to 3 minus 1 equal to 2, so 10x minus 7x equal to 3x divided by 15 equal to 2, and 3x equal to 15 into 2 and x equal to 15 into 2 divided by 3, and 15 divided by 3 equal to 5 into 2 equal to 10, and third number question is x minus 8x divided by 3 plus 5x divided by 2 equal to 15. So variable number is on the left hand side, so there is no change of number. So x here is 1, so LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So 6 divided by 1, so it's 6 into x, 6x minus 6 divided by 3 equal to 2 into 8x equal to minus 16x plus 6 divided by 2 equal to 3 into 5x, 15x equal to 15, and 6 minus 16x equal to minus 10x, and minus 10x plus 15x equal to 5x. 5x divided by 6 equal to 15, and 5x equal to 6 into 15, and x equal to 6 into 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 equal to 3, and x equal to 6 into 3, that is 18. Fourth number question is 2x minus 1 divided by 3 minus 6x minus 2 divided by 5 equal to 1 by 3. So here we see that 2x minus 1 divided by 3 minus 6x minus 2 divided by 5 equal to 1 by 3. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 3 into 5, that is 15. So 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. 5 into 2x minus 1 equal to 10x minus 5 minus 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. 3 into 6x minus 2 equal to 18x minus 6 equal to 1 by 3, and 10x minus 5 minus 18x plus 6 divided by 15 equal to 1 by 3. 10x minus 18x minus 8x, and 6 minus 5 equal to 1. 1 minus 8x divided by 15 equal to 1 by 3, and 3 into 1 minus 8x equal to 15 into 1, and 3 minus 24x equal to 15, and minus 24x equal to 15 minus 3, and minus 24x equal to 12, and x equal to 12 divided minus 24 equal to minus 1 by 2, that is x equal to minus 1 by 2. Fifth number question is 3l minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2l plus 3 divided by 3 equal to 2 by 3 minus 1. So here we see that LCM of 4 and 3 is 12, and 12 divided by 4 equal to 3. 3 into 3l minus 2 equal to 9l minus 6 minus 12 divided by 3 equal to 4, and 4 into 12 plus 3 equal to minus 8l plus 12, and equal to 2 by 3 minus 1 equal to minus 1 by 3, and 9l minus 6 minus 8l minus 12 divided by 12 equal to minus 1 divided by 3, and 9l minus 8l equal to l, and minus 6 minus 12 equal to minus 18 divided by 12 equal to minus 1 divided by 3. So 3 into l minus 18 equal to minus 1 into 12. So 3al minus 54 equal to minus 12, and 3al equal to minus 12 plus 54, and 3al equal to 42, and al equal to 42 divided by 3 equal to 14. Sixth number question is 2n minus 3 divided by 2 minus 3n minus 8 divided by 4 equal to n plus 1 divided by 3, and here LCM of 2 and 4 is 4, and 4 divided by 2 equal to 2 into 2n minus 3 equal to 4n minus 6 minus 4 divided by 4 equal to 1 into 3n minus 8 equal to 3n minus 8 equal to n plus 1 divided by 3, and 4n minus 6 minus 3n plus 8 divided by 4 equal to n plus 1 divided by 3. 4n minus 3n equal to n, and minus 6 plus 8 equal to plus 2 divided by 4 equal to n plus 1 divided by 3. In next step we see that n plus 2 into 3 equal to 4 into n plus 1, n plus 2 into 3 equal to 4 into n plus 1. So 3n plus 6 equal to 4n plus 4, and here 3n is in positive, and so in RHS 3n become minus 3n. So 6 minus 4 equal to 4n minus 3n minus 3n. So 2 equal to n equal to 2. So two number question is solve. First question is 5 into y minus 3 equal to 3 into 2y plus 1. So 5y minus 15 equal to 6y plus 3, and minus 15 minus 3 equal to 6y minus 5y, and minus 18 equal to y. So y equal to minus 18, and second number question is 15 into x minus 4 minus 2 into x minus 9 plus 5 into x plus 6 equal to 0. So 15 into x minus 15, x minus 60 minus 2x plus 18 plus 5x plus 30 equal to 0, and 15x minus 2x, 13x plus 5x, 18x minus 60 plus 30 equal to minus 30 plus 18 equal to minus 12 equal to 0, and 18x equal to 12, and x equal to 12 by 18 equal to 2 by 3. So third question is 4 into 2z minus 3 plus 3 equal to 2 into z plus 3 minus 3 into z plus 1. So 4 into 2z minus 3 equal to 8z minus 12 plus 3 equal to 2z plus 6 minus 3z plus 1. So 8z minus 2z plus 3z equal to 6 plus 1 plus 12 minus 3. So 8 minus 2 the z equal to 6z plus 3z and 9z equal to 6 plus 1 7 plus 12 19 minus 3 equal to 16 and z equal to 16 divided by 9. And fourth number question is 0.5x minus 0.8 minus 0.2x equal to 0.2 minus 0.3x. So 0.5x minus 0.2x equal to plus 0.2x and minus 0.8 equal to minus 0.2 minus 0.3 x. This is x and so 0.5x plus 0.2x equal to 0.7x plus 0.3x equal to 0.2 plus 0.8 equal to x. 0.7x plus 0.3x equal to 1 x equal to 1 x equal to 1. So this is fifth number question is 0.25 into 4f minus 3 equal to 0.02 10f minus 9. So 0.425 into 4 equal to 1 into f minus 0.25 into 3 equal to 0.75 and equal to 0.02 into 10 equal to 0.2 and f minus 1.8. So f minus 0.2 f equal to minus 1.8 plus 0.75 and 0.8 f equal to 5 and 0 and 1 minus 1.05 and f equal to minus 1.05 divided by 0.8. So f equal to minus 105 divided by 80. So